Hey everybody, this is Dr. Jane Smolnik. I hope you're doing really well. So I wanted to give you a little bit more information about the upcoming course that I'm teaching called Awakening Our Innate Abilities. Every single one of us has these abilities. We've just never been taught to utilize them. Do you know that our brains are like super processors? They can hold on to billions of bits of information. Do you know that our conscious mind is only 10% of our entire mind? The other 90% is our subconscious, unconscious, and superconscious mind. Yet we only use that 10% of our consciousness. It's like having a whole mansion, but forgetting about it, and you just live on the porch thinking that's all you have. What if you could expand your awareness and your intuitive senses, telepathic senses, all kinds of abilities to gather more information? Did you know that we are constantly giving out broadcasting information into the ethers, and we are constantly receiving information that's totally unlimited? We can store billions of bits of information in every cell in our body, even in our DNA. So we're really at a time where the entire earth is ascending into a higher vibrational state of being, more like fourth and fifth dimensional awareness and consciousness. We're no longer going to be constrained to the limited realm of third dimensional reality. Are you prepared for this? Would you like to learn how to utilize so much more of your conscious abilities, how to access more, how to supercharge your intuition, how to utilize your awareness at will, putting it anywhere you decide, you choose, whether it's people, places, plants, animals, situations, events, and extrapolate more information? I mean, it's amazing to me. And it's been a life changer for me. So, one of the first things we're going to do is really develop a solid foundation for protection, for grounding, for awareness, rituals, whatever. We're also going to work on exploring what our beliefs are, because so many of our beliefs can be blocking us, limiting us. If you think, oh, I can't do that, or I'm not good enough, or I'm not smart enough, um, we're going to just blow that stuff out of the water. So you're going to learn how to identify and handle some of your beliefs that keep you stuck. And then we're going to go much more deeply into expanding our conscious tools and feeling into different things in a much different way. So, this particular training is going to cover a 12-week period of time. It's going to be 6 2-hour sessions every other week by Zoom. I want this to be totally interactive, where we talk about things together and we practice some of these exercises. In between classes, you're going to have time to practice certain exercises. And then what you're required to do is email the entire group. We're going to have a group email, and it's a limited group that I will be accepting. So, and you're going to email what you did and what your experience was. I find when we do that, we just magnify our ability to do so much more, because somebody might experience something that we never even thought of and go, oh my God, I want to go try that. So it's really a great way because you will just expand in a way like you haven't before. And being that it's experiential, once you experience something, it becomes part of who you are and what you know. You don't lose it. It's so different than just being told something. So instead of having a whole bunch of wonderful slides, I'm going to be doing a lot more interactive teaching. And my guides are going to be assisting as well. So, and working with us. So we're going to learn how to use certain sacred biogeometry to increase our power, to heal things in our body. um, we just have so many things that we're going to be doing, sharing and exploring our consciousness, how to work with our stem cell to really shift and change our DNA in every cell of our body. I mean, there's a long list of things that we're going to be working on. So if you want to find out more, I encourage you to go to ultimatehealing.com and click on classes. And as you scroll down, you're going to see more information about that. It starts coming up this Saturday, March 9th. It's going to be on Saturdays from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. All right. So this may accommodate a number of people in a variety of different time zones. So I hope you choose to join us. And I think you will be quite pleased at the experiences that you'll be having. It's going to be quite different than anything I've been teaching more recently, right? I've been a trainer and a licensed avatar master and trainer for a long time. So I've taken so many different trainings and courses as well that I'm just going to gather some of the best tips and tools, and we're going to work on some things together. So again, go to ultimatehealing.com and click on classes. If you want to call me or email me, you can email me at info@ultimatehealing.com, or my phone number is 828-777-JANE, which is 5263. So I'm happy to have a conversation if you'd like. So anyway, let me know if you're interested, because I'm going to take a limited number of students and we have to have a certain amount just to make this go. So I hope that you're excited and would like to learn some more things. It'll change your life in a way. Like it certainly did for me. When I started learning these things, it was like my life shot up like a rocket. And I was like, oh my God, this is so amazing that I really have to teach this to other people. So I look forward to seeing you soon. And please join us. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.